Hello, this section of the SpectraStar typical maintenance course, we are going to talk about the lamp health test. The lamp health test is a very quick, but it's a comprehensive look at the energy that is driving your lamp along with the signal that is being received by the detectors. So this is a very good way to quickly look at your lamp, determine what its lamp, what the health is and how it's operating. And also, if you suspect that you might have a burned out lamp, it's very easy to detect with this test. To operate the lamp performance test, if you just click on the gold lamp health icon in the lower control area, you can see that the test runs very, very quickly. And you've got various test results that are displayed. At the top, you've got the number of hours in use. We recommend that everybody reset their lamp life when they change a bulb, when they replace the lamp in the instrument. So the number of hours in use should reflect the number of hours that this particular lamp has been in use. In my case, it's 143. The next two are the current and the voltage that are driving the lamp, the electricity that's driving the lamp. And then the four below are the different number of counts, the energy that the detector is reading. Depending on your instrument model, you might only have two of those, okay? If you only have one detector. So the lamp area is the number of counts for the detector. And then the lamp's spectrum peak low channel is just a background. If you have a burned out lamp, your number of counts for the area counts is going to be much, much smaller than it is here. So you will fail and those numbers will be very, very small. You can see, for example, for this one, that I'm up around 11 million counts. It will be a small fraction of that. If you do fail and your counts are very, very low, please replace your lamp, warm it up well, and go through the process again. One thing that is important to note is that newer versions of UScan, specifically those released after September of 2021 or having a version number that's higher than UScan 3.0.1.119, have a new lamp driving circuitry included. We did this so that the lamp is driven at a very consistent voltage throughout the lifetime of the lamp. And there are a couple of parts of this. Number one of which is during the task alignment procedure, we determine the optimal set point for the lamp current to drive the lamp at a particular voltage. Okay? From that point on until the next task alignment, the lamp will be driven at that set point, at that amperage or current level. Okay? Lamps naturally age over time and the resistance increases, so the voltage slowly will increase. When it reaches a threshold, you will be prompted with a warning that the lamp has exceeded its threshold and to rerun the task alignment and the lamp health monitoring. So in lamp health, in that case, you're going to see everything being pretty much green, and you will see that your number of counts are up at a high level, as it is in my example here. That's indicating that your lamp is working. You will follow that by running the task alignment procedure, which will reset that current set point down to a new level that reflects where that lamp is in its life. And from that point on, you will be able to go for multiple months, keeping that set point, that current level, consistent as your lamp slowly ages again. So I wanted to note that the task alignment procedure and the lamp health monitoring procedure work hand in hand to keep your lamp operating at a very consistent voltage, a very consistent output, and maximizing the life of your lamp. When you're done running the lamp health monitoring test, we recommend that you go ahead and you press the blue button. It will generate a PDF report and it will store it in the cUnity reports directory. As our lamp is all in the green, we are good to go. Thank you.